Polaroid 101, Now and Now Plus. Hello, and welcome to the Polaroid family. I'm your teacher with a PhD in something I like to call life. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the Generation 3 Now and Now Plus cameras. Technically, emotionally, and maybe even spiritually speaking. Step 1. Take your camera out of the box. If you want to use your camera, it's important that you first take it out of the box, along with your quick start guide and strap. When its battery runs low, find a USB-C charging cable and carry out this very advanced maneuver. Plug it in. Step 2. Manifest film to your front door. Your camera needs Polaroid film to work, so here's the plan. Light some candles, charge your crystals, or just buy some online. Once your film has arrived, store it in the fridge and take it out 60 minutes before use, otherwise known as 1 hour. To insert your film, do this, then this, and do not pull on that. To remove an empty film pack, reverse these steps and pull on the sticker. For elite results, use the film pack within 1 month and clean your camera rollers every 2 to 3 packs. Step 3. Take a picture. Look through the viewfinder with your eyes open. The lens does not look through the viewfinder, so to center your subject, move your camera a little to the left. It's a thing called parallax. Now, half press your shutter button to lock in settings for that particular shot and full press to take your shot. When your picture pops out, keep it under the film shield for 10 seconds. Then place it away from light. And for the love of photography, do not shake it. Step 4. Take a better picture. The flash turns on by itself, so if you're inside or it's nighttime, leave it on. It works up to a maximum distance of 2 baguettes end to end, 3 ducks in a row, or simply 2 meters away, and very well when your subject is against a wall. If you're outside and it's daytime, turn it off and keep the sun behind you. Step 5. Take an even better picture. Our colorful filter set turns your pictures red, orange, blue, or yellow and can create a starburst effect. Alternatively, press the button on the front of your camera. Once for self-timer mode, twice for double exposure mode, or 3 times just for the fun of pressing buttons. Step 6. If you own the Now camera, cover your eyes and ears for 20 seconds. Okay, listen up Now Plus owners. Connect your camera to the Polaroid app and see even more creative modes like aperture priority, shutter priority, remote control, long exposure, and manual mode. And to go fully analog, there's always flight mode. Step 7. Scan your pictures. For a digital version of your picture, scan it via the Polaroid app and share it with the empty convenience of the digital world. Step 8. Give yourself a pat on the back. Lift your dominant hand, that's the one you use for most things. Bend your elbow, bringing your hand behind your shoulder in a controlled motion. Tap your upper back. Congratulations, you're officially part of the Polaroid family. But before you get too carried away, why not first visually meditate on our beginner's guide? Thank you. Namaste.